Friends, in this video, I will show how can we change LinkedIn profile name. So, let's start. At first, we need to log in our LinkedIn profile. After log into your profile, click on Edit Options. Now, type your new first name, last name or additional name, which you want to set as a new name. Remember, special character is not acceptable here. After typing new name, we also need to change our profile headline as per our new name. At the same time, we need to change our career profession. Add your experience and role as per new profile name. Select your experience here in this options. After select, click on Save. My position is added. Now, if you want to post your update position, then click on Post. After this, click on Save for changing your LinkedIn profile name. Here we can see, my previous name is changed. Reload your browser for seeing new LinkedIn profile name and position. Here I can see, my profile name is changed from Global Fashion Express BD to Jute Products and Handicraft. I hope now you can change your profile name on LinkedIn very easily. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.